Hi, I'm Adam Rogers, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Spyclops IP camera with Composer Express on an Android or iOS device. You will need a Spyclops IP camera, a Windows-based laptop, and an Android phone or an iOS phone. This only applies to Spyclops IP cameras that are not connected to the new Spyclops Pro PoE and VRs. Once you have Composer Express installed on your phone, open it up and connect to the project. We'll hit the plus symbol and add a device. We'll go to Local and Online Library, and we'll type in Spyclops. We'll add a Spyclops camera to the project. And we'll ensure that it's in the right room. Then we'll go to Properties. We'll set the IP address of the camera here. And we'll make sure that the HTTP port is set to 80 and the RTSP port is set to 554. We'll make sure that the username and password is set to admin, A-D-M-I-N, all lowercase. Now we'll press back and go to Advanced Properties, where we can change the H.264 stream to main or sub. Now we'll connect to the camera directly through an Internet Explorer web browser. Log into the camera with the default username and password. Go to the configuration page, and then video. And here we want to make sure that we're set to H.264 for the video encoding. Save that setting, and then we'll go back to Composer Pro.
And now you can see your Spyclops IP camera on any Control4 on-screen navigator. For more information, visit us at metrahometheater.com.